Hey guys, let me show you around my new car. We got the back here. We got a button to open and close the door. Another cool feature, I got the 60-40-20 split.
Okay.
You know, those are supposed to go all the way down. As like that. You know, we'll fix it. You know. All right, shut that. Got the front seat here.
Start her up.
Pretty nice. Comes with all Lexus vehicles. I mean, that's it. I still have to adjust everything. Got the leather seats, cold AC. You know, I don't like cars with big computers. I don't like newer cars. This one has like a classic screen on it, not too big. You got the really cool compartment here. My whole hand can fit in here. And hold on. Oh, okay. Look, it's a deep compartment. Got this for the sunglasses, keys.
It's actually a couple of them.
I got this underground thing here. The screen comes with a little mouse pad. Not too crazy about that, but it's fine. Yeah. What else? I mean, I got a sunroof. Look, I can open these up. Light automatically turns on.
Alright, we good?
I think that's it.